like, cause I run tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Sardines for dinner. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a trip, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know. Oh. Where my sexy ladies, man? Yeah, Dubai life is pretty crazy. You can get lost in this place, but I ain't never gonna be lost. Come out to Dubai, Habibi. He wants to be in the video. Everyone wants to be in the video. My guys, Dubai is nuts. Full of opportunity, full of hot girls, no tax. No wonder people are moving here. I did say there's no vibe. Oh, he's kicking me off the thing. Sorry, boss. Now, I did say there was no vibe. And I meant that. But it looks like people are coming here and creating a good vibe. So it's making me question coming out here and potentially even starting a business out here. Some of my boys are starting gyms. One of my boys wants to start a nightclub. Sounds like fun, to be honest. Might have to get involved. Look, I mean, my original thoughts about Dubai, I couldn't really understand what the fuck was going on around here. But now I see that the world's wealth is moving here. I see the opportunity, and maybe the pros actually outweigh the cons. That's what I'm thinking at the moment. There's a possibility that the pros are actually outweighing the cons. There's so much opportunity here. There's so much money moving here. Now, you can hate it or you can love it, but if you hate it, you're missing out on the opportunity. So I feel like I should give it more of a chance, not be so single-minded about it. The amount of money flowing through this place is crazy, and whether you like it or not, you gotta make money in this life so you can enjoy the lifestyle. I'm at a boat party now. My boys put it on here. DMO DJ is like a famous DJ in the UK. Come out here, started a bunch of businesses. I wanted to make a video while I was on this boat, even though I want to go dance with some hot chicks. It's crazy today, it's a good vibe. And you need to go where the opportunity is. I might not love the place, but it might grow on me, you know? So I'm thinking about it. Let me go back up and dance for a second. Remember when you take your virginity, first night around the shop. When before city was around, things started something. You still feel like a virgin. I am no fist down. Shout to my virgins. You still like when before city. Where my virgins? Hands in the air if you're virgin. Yes, pure virgins. Take away your virginity. I'm not gonna lie to you about me. I tell you, say me love it when you finger me. So special about the feeling what I feel when you're indexing to me. I mean, it looks pretty fucking cool, right? Can't really turn this shit down. Hey, we're in the building, man. Everyone's moving to Dubai. Opportunities, business people, creatives. And it's normal to whip out your phone and film content here. It's not weird. In Romania, people are like, who's this dickhead with his phone out? Filming himself. But here it's kind of normal, so Maybe you can be a creator, maybe you can be a big boy creator.